Hello, my name is Canon Roach. This is my JavaScript project, not JavaScript, excuse me. This is my Java project I've been working on for a couple weeks now. This is my completely copyright-free Canemon, not to be confused with Pokemon. I've never even heard of what that is. Anyways, this is a Java project that has a text-based RPG adventure that also utilizes statistics to measure things. So if we go down into our code here, a big part of it is the battle turn and the opponent battle turn, which is what the O is for opponent battle turn. So the way that this main function works is that it will each Canemon that you're attacking will have a weakness and a resistance, depending on what it is. So the resistance is defined when you pick your Canemon first. So when you go down to calculate it, if it is one of the weaknesses, it will make it do twice as much damage. And then if it is not very effective, it will do half. And more so like that. And then there's one for the player that does the same thing. And the player can choose between two moves of different types to see if it can hit a weakness or resistance on the opponent. And what it does to have it be checked is I'm using the util scanner and util random for other damage roll calculations. So when you go down to pick your Canemon, what it can do is it will start a while loop that has a check to see if you type 1, 2, or 3 to pick your Canemon, and then it will set certain attributes to each one. And if you don't pick, it will loop it again. So let's run that code. So it says, welcome to the copyright-free world of Canemon. In this world, there are mythical creatures called Canemon. The creatures are beloved by Canemon trainers around the world. Your destiny is to become the best Canemon trainer the world will ever see. What is your name, trainer? So my name is, we'll just do Cab. My name's Cab. Greetings, Cab. It's great to meet a hero in the making. Well, let's get greetings out of the way. I know the only reason you're here is to receive your first Canemon. First, we have Canchar, the fire type, Canfern, the grass type, Canpuddle, the water type, and it talks about their statistics of being high in one stat, lower in the other two, and what they're weak to. So if we pick one, we could type like GH, and it would ask us it again because we didn't put in 1, 2, or 3. So we're going to pick number 2. So then IS, Canfern, what a great Canemon. First lesson, it can be one of 4 types: water, fire, grass, and normal. Fire is weak to water but strong against grass. Water is weak to grass, strong against fire. Grass is weak to fire but strong against water. Normal has no strengths or weaknesses. And then if you say, did you get all that? If you say no, it just says, good, now let's move on. So the professor doesn't care. So it is Professor Canon. So you start your first battle where he sends out a Leafalo. And you have access to 2 moves, Tackle and Elemental Power. Because we chose a grass type, it would probably be a grass type element power. So we're just going to do 1. So we did 20 damage. It used Leaf Slam, its move, and its attack did 20 damage. So we can go again. We do 20 damage. It does 20 damage, but because we're fast, we move first. So your attack did 20 damage. Leafalo fainted. Congrats, you win. Game over. And that's my project. Thank you.